Alright guys, welcome to another hopefully fun unboxing. Let's see what we got here. Package today. I am hoping it is what I'm expecting to receive. And looks like we probably got exactly what I needed. Anyway, unfortunately don't get to keep both of these. I only get to keep one, so hopefully one of these will work. But they are cases, and hopefully just as cool as the other one that I had before. So we'll have to see which one is going to stay and which one has to go. They are very cool looking. They look more diamondy than the other one. The other one was more like, let's see, more like a heart-shaped one. And I do believe that the brand for this is Caka, and well, you know, a Caka case. I just couldn't stop myself from getting one.
Likey.